With the Congress leader, especially Rahul Gandhi, aiming to go to Sambhal tomorrow, what is the UP government strategy? According to our sources, no visits by politicians are going to be allowed in Sambhal. Earlier, delegations of various political parties attempting to enter into the region, including Congress and Samajwadi Party, were not allowed. Considering the law and order situation right now, with the situation still sensitive, no politician will be allowed to visit, including Rahul Gandhi, in Sambhal. So if Rahul Gandhi, as a member of parliament, as a leader of opposition, as Congress leader, wants to go into Sambhal, he will not be permitted. Mosby Singh is joining me for the latest on that. Mosby, so Samajwadi Party has already escalated this issue. Congress leader now wants to go there as well. He's not going to be allowed, most likely. Do you think this is a plan of a showdown, a posturing?
So clearly, there is a very precarious law and order situation in Sambhal, and in light of that, one of our sources in the government have clearly said that Rahul Gandhi will not be permitted to enter Sambhal, considering the fact that earlier the Samajwadi Party and the Congress delegation did attempt to enter Sambhal to meet the victims' families, but the administration is saying that it's a very, very sensitive and delicate situation, and so any politician is not allowed as of now to enter Sambhal, including if Rahul Gandhi also attempts, he will be stopped on the border of Sambhal.
So Mosby will be tracking all the latest on that, especially what happens tomorrow if Rahul Gandhi does intend to hit the ground.